Oh,
what a
surprise, it's spinning. Don't spin, you piece of crap. It's just easier just to cut that nut clean off. That's it.
Like so. Guys, as always, Alan is being a legend and is putting lots of preparation into this. So I think what he's done is just basically loosened up with the wire brush the bushes just below, or at least the bolts just below the anti-roll bar, and also WD-40 all over the Droplink nuts. Can you get those get them loosened up, and then we can look at sort of undoing them and replacing them, because it's a bit of a mess under here. And the last time I had my tracking done, they did actually mention to me that the anti-roll bar needed replacing. So ever since then, we've been discussing it, and we're finally here getting it done. So we're going to go around, loosen everything up, WD-40 the rest of them, loosen them up with a wire brush, and then we'll be back to it and we'll start taking them apart, guys. So sit back, we'll get that done, and we'll join you guys very shortly. So I just thought I'd show you exactly what we're dealing with here. As you can see, we've got the front Droplinks right here from Hardrace. You can see when it focuses, Mark II front. We've also got the rears. They actually come with a pack with the anti-roll bar, so when you pay for the anti-roll bar itself, these will come with it. So again, those are going to take effectively direct replacement of these right here, so that's going to be cool. Looking forward to getting that done. And more importantly, this really sexy powder coated blue. See if we can actually... You can see as well that this is powder coated and it looks stunning. So I'm excited to get this on, really. Another sticker to add to the collection of working with George. I don't even know, is it not here anymore? Or is it over there?
I don't know, I think it might come off. The stick didn't work, I don't think. I don't know whether it's just had a bit of oil on it or something and it dropped off.
We're going to have to christen the lift again. Put a fresh sticker on.
Yeah.
But all the same, guys, I'm super excited to get this on. Anyway, let's get to it.
Okay, for the next bit, what we'll do is, because we're going to replace the anti-roll bar and the Droplinks on both sides, rather than disconnect it here, which we'll probably do on the bench later instead, we're just going to disconnect it at the top.
We just need to detach the top.
Yeah, just detach it from the top, drop that hole down, put the new links, new anti-roll bar. It's going to look so nice. But yeah, they're not very tight. I reckon that's probably where a lot of the noise and a lot of the slop was.
Look at that one there, move that one there. Like, the bushes are gone.
Yeah, there's not much. Okay, cool, so we'll go for them from the top. They're going to be a bit tricky, but just bear with us.
Right, Alan's now got a ratchet.
Yeah.
Trying to get that.
Oh, so what a surprise, it's spinning. Don't spin, you piece of crap.
Right guys, we're actually bringing the arms down now just to make it a bit easier. We have tried our best.
This will give us just more access onto the top here. We'll take that, put somewhere safe.
We should have bought the bungs while we were here.
Oh, you're a bung.
You're a cowabunga.
You're a bung polio.
God, these lower arms are terrible.
Yeah.
The bushes are completely ruined.
What you do is take them off shop glass and paint them.
The state of the bush and there, and just the state of them in general. Right, Alan's got the disc cutter. Yeah, boy.
It's at this stage now, it's just easier just to cut that nut clean off. Loady, loady.
Using ungodly amounts of strength, pull out that Droplink.
Engage beast mode. Here we go. Beautiful. Hey,
right, let's get the other one done, and then we'll have it all apart, and we can start using the bits that are on the table down there and put them back together. Right. There you go, guys.
Okay, well, what we're going to do now is we've got the old anti-roll bar off. It was easier to just get it off the car rather than separating this bit. So what we're going to do is duplicate the one we put it on, is partially assemble the new one with the new links, which are nice and tight compared to the old links, which are sloppy as hell, and then put the assembly up there. So again, being a race anti-roll bar, they give you two options to mount your links. Further out will be softer because it gives more torque on the arm. further in, it'll give you a stiffer ride, probably less roll there. So we're going to assemble it to those inner pieces. Again, awesome instructions, and we'll put them together. As per the instructions supplied, new drop links. It calls for a spacer to go on. That's going to take up the gap. There we go. So that's going to go on the inner one like that, followed by the nut. Out the wrong side, mount them through, and the nut. And again, you're going to need, I think it's a 5mm Allen key. These replacement ones have come with a 17, so we've actually got a 17mm rat ring.
Should just be that simple. Obviously we can feed the drop links in,
Yeah.
and then obviously after that we just get the bushes in here, don't we?
That's
so it should just go in directly like that, really.
Yeah, yeah. So
I mean, literally just go in the holes like so.
that's it.
Feed them in like so, mate.
Leave the tip.
Get the tip in the hole.
Yeah. That's it.
Like so.
Classical where you put your nuts and washers.
Yeah, you want to do that? Washer at the top.
Your nuts.
And then this nut.
Nuts and shit. So
It should just work that simple. And then nut again and the spacer up here. There we go. Looks beautiful. Just got a little bit of silicone grease on the inside here, and again on the inside here too. I will get a little bit more, to be fair. You can't ever go wrong with too much lube.
That's it. It just helps reduce your
Just on the inside of the bushes, and on this too. So obviously these are broken here, they're cracked, so it's pretty handy. You can just get them straight over. So it's super easy. Alan, if you just hold that, I'll grab the bolt. Progress has been made, they've been tightened up, the rear drop links are now attached, the bushes are attached, but we do need to put these little rings in. They basically go in here through Alan's instructions, so we're going to get those on now. I'm pretty sure it's just that simple, isn't it, Alan?
Yeah, wrap it around.
Yeah, and then wrap this locking clip around.
So it's going to hook into itself and then it's going to get pinched locked.
But guys, that is how it looks. Hardrace anti-roll bar installed, almost finished, and the Hardrace rear drop links. Happy days. Let's go and get this finished off and then we can move on to the front.
So we just have to cancel the flex and use that. Awesome. Yeah, Casey, yeah, just assemble a new one into it. Best off doing one at a time because it stops the arm dropping. What size nuts are they? They're the same 15.
Do you ask me what size nuts I have? That's a bit weird.
Yeah, what do you got nuts in your hand?
Right. New one. Guys, this is the new one here. You can see that the bushes look good. Right. That's that one done. Shitty drop link out. New one to go in. That's what we do with that. Throw it on the floor. Anyway, let's get this one in. Right guys, drop link's done. Don't know how much you can see. You can see it's all in there now, on both sides. Let's get these wheels back on. Oh guys, what's up? So I've got home now and I've been driving the car back just to see how it feels. I'll be honest with you, I'm not going to sit here and pretend it's perfect. I feel like there's a bolt that I maybe didn't tighten up enough. There's an ever so slight creaking. And if you imagine the thread and the bolt at the top, I just feel like there's a little bit of a gap between the thread and the bolt, so the lower control arm is able to move. That's my personal opinion. All the same, it feels so much better anyway. I'm really glad that I've done it, but I'm just gonna have to get it done when I go to Alan's garage to fix the, or at least to fit the new hoses that I've got for the engine bay, because I had a coolant explosion. But anyway guys, as always, thank you so much for watching. I am so blown away by the support that I've had of recent. 7,110 at the moment. That's a lot. I didn't think I'd get over 500 subscribers. and now I'm pretty close to 10,000. So guys, you've been amazing. As always, like the video because it helps me, and you know, it helps your boy grow. And all the same, let me know what you think in the comment section below. Subscribe if you're new, and I guess we're going to see you in the next video. So for the meantime, enjoy the rest of your week, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Juice in the PT. Roll the outro.